YouTube, assalamu alaikum, what to do? So we bought 4 clean title cars yesterday. So now today, we're gonna go pick them up, see what it's all about, see this clean title game, see if we can figure it out, see if we can make some money on it. Right now we're gonna go to the bank, get a cashier's check for all the cars that we bought. And then after that, we'll go with everybody. We'll try to pick up all the cars at once and come back. And hopefully they're good. I have no idea if they're gonna be good, if they're bad. Clean title, so we don't have to fix anything really. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and go to the bank. All right, y'all, we're about to go to the bank right now. Jeff and Oswald aren't here yet, but they should be here soon. So hopefully by the time we go to the bank and come back, they're here and we can all slide to the auction, pick up the cars. I bought 4 cars. It was a Audi SQ5, 2 Honda Odysseys, and a Ford Fiesta. So I don't know, hopefully they're good. We're gonna drive them all back to the shop, hopefully. Hopefully they make it, hopefully they're good. But yeah, we should find out. So go to the bank, get this check, head back, and we'll see from there. We'll go to the bank, we'll catch you out when we get there.
A few moments later.
Here it is. I'm gonna grab this cashier's check and then just go from there. Good, how are you? I just need to get a cashier's check. Do you need a debit card? It's possible to do with the ID? That's it, thank you. You as well, thanks. All right, y'all. Check is secured. Boom. That's the amount for the check. And that's for 4 cars, so hopefully we can turn that to like 17 to like, nah, not that much. It's clean title. 17 to like, well, let's say like 25. If we can do that, that'd be cool. But I don't know. We're about to see. We'll head back to the shop. Hopefully Jeff and Oswald are there, and we can just slide to the auction and go from there. All right, y'all. Just pull back to the shop. Jeff and Oswald are here, so get these cars real quick. Jeff is over there. Let's see what's up to Jeff. Sir, which mats are these?
Fishing.
Why'd y'all leave them out?
Because Oswaldo pressure washing.
Why y'all pressure washing mats?
No, bro, he always
And it rained, bruh.
It's still wet.
It just looks ghetto. All right, so now we'll probably have to call it Uber. We're picking up 4 cars. So 4 of us have to be there without a car to come back each with a car. So let me call this Uber real quick and we'll go from there. How you doing? Good morning, Oswald. All right, this car just got done. Show them that. Good God, the overspray on the tire. This is Ema and Mo's. Yeah.
Didn't they say they was gonna throw it back on the auction, right?
Yeah, but they wanted to fix it for some reason. We tried to tell it like that, but it is. The Q60, we just got the bumper for it yesterday, so it should be, I think Diego gonna paint it today. Basically ready, just put that bumper on. Hey, we're about swerving a little bit, all of us, to go pick up cars at the auction. Yeah, clean title. All right, Uber is almost here. Vámonos, amigos.
Ready?
Let's go. Yeah, free Palestine. We'll hop in the Uber and pull up in something smoother. Let's go. So this is one of the cars we got, Audi SQ5. I got it for 6,000. I don't know if it's good or not, we'll see. But now we also got that Honda Odyssey, so somebody has to take that one. Who's taking the Odyssey? Oswaldo? It's inside the car. And here's the plate. But wait for us out front, we'll meet you there. All right, that's one. This one's for me. What else? Fiesta B61.
Oh yeah, that's 50, 60.
Could be B61.
It's a
Oh, right here, it's right here. Boom, right there. So boom, Jeff got that one. Just meet us out front, in the, like, by the guard track. Okay, last one. It's a Honda Odyssey, A27.
How many miles this car got?
It's up there, got 140, 149, maybe 150. Okay, Honda Odyssey. All right, it's right there, A27. Oh yeah, Moment's done. Oh, here. Yo. Oh y'all, well, here's the whip. So the Moment grabbing that one. So I don't know, it's a clean title game. We're learning it, we're trying to make something shake. So we'll see. As always, if y'all enjoying the videos, let me know. It's a transition phase, so you know, y'all are seeing the transition from salvage to clean title. We're switching it up. I'm still bidding on Copart. Like, I was bidding on Copart today, but we're gonna try to do both now because, you know, I don't know, salvage is too much sometimes. So we'll go ahead, try to leave with these cars, and we'll go from there. There's Oswaldo, you got the minivan. We'll wait for everyone else to come. Okay, it has coolant, so that's all that really matters. Coolant, oil, so you should be all right. Now we gotta find the other people. Okay, there's Jeff. Pop the hood. Wow, I think it's clean. Coolant, oil's clean.
Even the engine bay is clean.
Yeah. Where's Mutman at? There he is. The boy Mutman. Y'all all have plates, right?
Yeah, I have a plate.
All right. Mutman, put the thing down, bruh.
What is the problem with the wiper?
Bruh. Put it down, bruh. You just put it down. They put that up, it means the car's sold.
I thought it was busted.
Nah, you're good. Can you turn it off and pop the hood real quick? Just check if that's coolant oil. All right, we out. Y'all all got the plates. All got the buyer pass thing. All right, let's go back straight to the shop. Let's get it. All right, yeah. I'm gonna see if they give us the titles. I didn't get any titles. I paid for the cars and everything, but no titles. So let's go see if they have them for us or what the procedure for that is. I have no idea. Like I said, I'm a new fish here. Let's just go see and we'll go from there. All right, so they don't have the titles yet, but they said they're gonna call me when the titles get in and we'll just go from there. So now we're just gonna head outside, I guess go home, go back to the shop. All right, I'm outside, but there's nobody here. I told Jeff and them to wait for me out here, but I don't see him nowhere.
Hello?
Yeah, where y'all at?
We're literally outside, like literally right here. You already passed the gate?
Yeah, I passed the gate. Oh, y'all parked to the left. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I see y'all. All right, come on.
Oh, I see it now.
All right, so there they are. All right, so we'll probably head back to the shop and we'll just go from there. All right, y'all, so first drive in this car. Turn this off. First drive in the SQ5. Pretty smooth. Yeah, we just drive back to the shop. We got the boys behind me following. And yeah, so we'll just go from there. All right, y'all, quick change of plans. Instead of going straight back to the shop, we just came straight to do an inspection. Just make it quick. The inspection's on the way back, kind of, like an extra 2 minutes. I was like, whatever. We'll just stop real quick, do the inspections for all the cars. Boom, there's Oswald in that one. That way we're just saving time. So now the inspection's done. Now we just have to go wash it and post, hopefully. But this car, we already have to do some work to it. Let me show you. So boom, see right here. Fix this fender up, paint that bumper, and yeah, that's it. This one's nice. We grabbed this one for $6,200. So hopefully it's a good buy. It drove good, tires are good, lights work and everything. And yeah, so hopefully, I mean, I'm probably gonna post this one for like maybe 10.9. Someone gives me 10, we'll just let it go. And yeah, so there you go. And the only thing like with clean title cars is that I don't understand like the value of them. So in my mind, like I'm always thinking like salvage title prices. So I don't understand the clean title prices yet. So I'm gonna have to get used to that. And the auction I bought it from, they don't really, how do I say, they don't tell you like what the value like of the car is worth, like what you could sell it for, like Copart. Copart will tell you like, hey, this is what the insurance saying that this car is worth, right? With clean title, they don't tell you. So I guess you have to run the Carfax. I run the Carfax, then like it's way too high in some of these cars. Like whenever I run Carfax on these cars, like they tell you like what the retail price of this car is. I just think it's too high. I'm like, there's no way this car is going for that much. But I don't know. I'll try to post it for that much, and we'll go from there. So catch you on the next clip. All right, y'all. Just like that, inspection is done. Car drove good, passed inspection. So now we just have to fix that fender, front bumper, a little touch-up body work and paint, and that should be it. Car will be ready for sale. So it's already clean and everything. So not much. You don't have to pay for a detail or get Jeff or Oswald to clean it. So there's that. We don't have to buy any parts. We don't have to, you know, go to APO, buy this and that, fix the suspension because it's, you know, an accident, none of that. So, alhamdulillah, we'll see how this clean title stuff goes. And yeah, I'm going back to the shop right now. Catch you guys when I get there. All right, y'all, just pulled up to the shop. All right, boom. Now, Audi, nothing we can really do for it. So the Audi, we'll just wait for that lady to come, order the paint. And then once we get the paint, it should be fixed within a couple of days. And then we wash it, post it, and that's it. All right, so this will get painted. Fix that. I got leather seats.
Just gotta clean it and paint that.
Yeah, clean it, paint that. Inspection. Tires are good. Drove good. It shifted fine. Yeah, I forgot how much I got this car for. I think it was like 4,000. Yeah. And the miles are high, but I don't know. We'll see.
How many miles? It has 180?
Yeah, but it's a Honda. So someone will come get it for cheap. Give them a nice minivan, and that's that.
How much you think you sell it for?
I have no idea. Clean title, maybe 6, 7, something like that. We'll do inspection on this one today though. And we'll go from there. All right, catch you on the next clip. All right, next order of business. We're gonna move some cars around, organize the lots. Let's go ahead. Leave these here. Probably that orange one out here, just because the orange, it pops. So we'll put this one right here, and we'll see what else we move. Yeesh. All right. We can go take that Honda Odyssey that you brought. We can go do inspection. All right, y'all. Me and the soccer mom with it. Soccer mom van. I'm gonna go do this inspection. Got a touchscreen too. It's cooking. Got heated seats too. Okay. It's gonna need a nice detail though. That's for sure. All right. All right. We'll go do the inspection. I think Jeff is there right now. You might see him there, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all. Pulling back up at Frankie's. Get this inspection done. There's Jeff right there, and we'll go from there. How long you been here, bruh?
Since I left, I guess, since I got here.
Goodness gracious. Gracias, amigo. Frankie making all the money, man. And we work for him, look. Yeah, we need a discount for doing this. Yep. Clean title. How much should I get this for? I want to give y'all the real number. Maybe it's a bad deal. I don't know. 33,600. It's an EXL, fully loaded. MMR is 4,800. So that means that's what the car should sell for at the auction. I guess because the damage on it, it went for a little less.
So usually when you buy a car, from the like second you like win the auction until you sell it, how long is that usually?
With Salvage? From the moment I buy it to sell it?
From when you buy it win it on the auction until you sell it to the guy.
Like a month.
Bro.
Month and a half.
A day, bro.
Yeah. Well, it's not sold yet. When it sells, then we can see.
It seems like it's stuff is moving quicker now that you got a clean title.
Yeah, no, that's true. I think the profit is gonna be less, but like how do you say it? The speed is quicker. And it's less work, less effort. And the paint lady is there right now at the shop. She's about to get the paint for these cars. Hey, Oswald, for the lady, for the paint that we need, it's the Audi, it's that Honda Odyssey that you drove. It's this Honda Odyssey that I have right now, but I'm not be there right now. Frankie's about to finish the inspection, and I'm gonna be there.
Okay, I will let you know like 10 minutes or something.
Okay, all right, y'all. We did the inspection, we out, get it, head back to the shop. It's gonna be a high volume game, so I don't think we're gonna make as much profit per car. Like, salvage, depending on the car, you can go 3K, 4K profit. Clean title, I don't think we're gonna be making those 3, 4K hits. I think it's gonna be more like maybe 2K or 1,500, maybe, each car. And then it's gonna be quick, like we're trying to move them quick, so it's a volume game. So yeah, we'll see. We'll head back to the shop, we'll go from there. All right, we'll pull up to the shop, boom. Go ahead, get the paint for all these cars, and we'll go from there. What now? We're trying to get the paint code? She found it or no? 1, 2, 3, and the Odyssey. So yeah, 6K on this one, 4K on this one, Odyssey, 4K on that one, and then it was like 1,800 for the Fiesta. This is one I sent, see? This one, remember? Let me check my receipts. I don't know if they're trying to get over on me. They think I'm not gonna check the receipts. I'm on everybody now, bruh. I used to just swipe the card, just pay, write the check. They're trying to charge like an extra 150 on something, bruh. Yeah, no, that's cap. That's just a random 150 they just put on there, bruh. They can kick rocks with that, bro. Ain't no extra 150. You tripping. Now, what's this 150?
She's trying to find what the English is.
Okay. But Diego, isn't that the one that came out bad that you had to repaint it? Because the paint that they gave us didn't match? So where's the 150 coming from? If it's not from that car, then which car?
The paint that you pay is this one, and the other what is needed that the hook didn't open.
That's what I paid?
That's the paint that's the white paint.
Do we have the receipt for this one? I checked everything. Unless Oswald put it somewhere else. Because that 150, it just looks random. It just looks like an extra 150.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we got a bunch of parts I'm returning. So we just did all that, put all the shipping labels on them and stuff. For a Subaru that I got. It ended up being booth, it wasn't good. So go ahead, return all these. And now we have a customer coming for a Chrysler Pacifica that we got. So I'm gonna go ahead, go bring the car, look at it, make sure everything is good. And yeah, just go do that, I guess. And Jeff and Oswald, they're outside washing the Q50 and the Fiesta. Bless you. Just make sure it looks good. This one's nice. Leather seats. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go from there. See how Jeff's doing. Yep, it's coming along. We should have got something from O'Reilly. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly then and get you something. What do you need, just interior clean? Probably go drop all these off, post office, and then we'll go to O'Reilly and we have to go pick up a Q50 from the mechanic. We'll catch y'all when we head out. All right, we got all the parts in the back. I can see right there. We're gonna return all these, and we're also gonna go get a Q50 that we have to go pick up. And we'll go to O'Reilly as well. We'll go get some stuff so they can wash the cars. And yeah, we'll go from there. So probably Q50 first, or actually maybe post office first. Yeah, post office first, and we'll go from there. Catch y'all when we get there. All right, we just dropped everything off at the post office, but now we have one package. It has to go to UPS. So we're gonna slide over there, drop that off, and we'll go from there. So let's get it.
Later.
All right, I dropped off the package. Now we're gonna head back to the shop. Actually, we're gonna go pick up that Q50. And then after we get the Q50, we'll head back to the shop, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all. You just prayed Dhuhr, alhamdulillah. Now we're gonna go ahead, organize the lot. Jeff and Oswald want to go wash the cars and post them, and then when they come back, we'll see what's going on from there. And then now we're gonna go organize the lot, and we'll go from there. So let's go do this real quick. Okay, so the Odyssey gotta go outside. All right, I'll move this one outside. Put this Chrysler, can you put it in between those two cars right there? All right, so boom, I moved the Odyssey outside the lot. So I'll move this right there, just so we can open up the space, so we got space. It's hot. All right, and that's it for right now. So we'll see when Jeff and Oswald come back. Moment's about to leave, So there's that. Mootman, say your outro for the people.
Man, I don't have an outro.
No outro. All right then. But Mootman's about to slide. And when Jeff and Oswald come back, we'll see what's next. All right, y'all. It's pretty much gonna be a wrap for the video. Just real quick, I want to end off on one quick note. Try right here. All right. So I'm still buying salvage cars, right? I'm still do salvage. It's not just drop salvage completely. The only problem that I'm finding with salvage is the amount of work that the salvage car needs and trying to scale that, right? So you need a lot of body guys, you need a lot of mechanics if you're gonna do salvage to volume, right? If you're doing, say, 10 cars a month, you're okay. Even more than that, to be honest. You can do 10, 15 cars a month, easy salvage. But once you try to scale it, like I was trying to scale to 50 cars a month, right? That's my goal. I want to sell 50 cars a month. But which with salvage, like I tried, I'm buying the cars, but it's not enough time, it's not enough manpower here right now at least in order to handle that type of volume. That's why everything kind of just crumbled. Adding clean title, I think is gonna be a very good, not easy, but it's gonna be a good way to get to that 50 cars a month goal, right? Because right now we're like 20, 30 cars a month we're selling. So I'm trying to get to 50, but to do that, I'm gonna have to add the clean title cars in there. So I'm still gonna be bidding Copart and IAA and doing the salvage cars, but I'm also gonna be adding the clean title cars. So we already got 4 this week, well yesterday. So there's that, and hopefully next week we'll get maybe 4 or 5 more. And just off that, 4 times 4, a week, maybe we can add another like 15, 20 cars a month, clean title. So we'll try that out. We'll see how it goes. I mean, this is just a transition period for me, for the business. I've never done this before, so y'all are coming here along with me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to, untreaded territory, for me at least. I've only done salvage before, never done clean. So we'll see how these cars sell, if they move better, if they move quicker. We don't know, but we'll see, and I'll document everything. And yeah, that's it for right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.